Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to send files from your phone onto MacBook Air M4. To send the files from your phone, it depends whether it's an iPhone or not an iPhone. First I'm going to show you from an iPhone. It's going to be really simple. You just need to get to your iPhone and select the file that you want to send. It can be a file, a photo, or a document, whatever. So I'm just gonna find anything, maybe a photo. Then the photo, you can just click on the send button. Now select AirDrop, and you can select your own MacBook. Or if you're sending it from another person's device that's signed into a different Apple account, then on your MacBook you should make sure that AirDrop is enabled and it's set to either contacts only or everyone. Now I'm gonna send it, and since it's my own MacBook I don't need to click on accept, but if you're sending it from another person's device, you will need to accept first. And now as you can see, I have it in the downloads folder. But if it's not an iPhone, you should go to the AirDrop.net website. This is what I recommend, but of course you can use anything else. Then on that other device, you should also go to the very same website. And if you are on the same network, then the device will just show up on the screen. So now I can just click on the Mac. Now I'm gonna take a photo now maybe. Then click on use photo. And now you can just accept it and it'll let you click on allow, and it's downloaded to the downloads. But if you're not on the same Wi-Fi network, you can just connect to that device with a code. So you can click on the link devices permanently button, and then on this other device also click on that button, or just scan that QR code. Then just enter the code from another device onto another. And now they are connected permanently, so even if I change the Wi-Fi network, I will still see that network on the list. But of course, if it's not on the same network, it will take a bit longer to transfer the files. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.